Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show an AI tool which creates a complete website at the click of a button. No coding required. You just have to give it a prompt for the type of website you need. The tool will create a website for you in seconds. Customize it to your requirement and you are ready to go. In my last video, I had made a video on how to create a website using ChatGPT. But today I am going to use another AI tool called gamma.app. So let's take a look. Open the browser Chrome and here we type gamma.app. You type gamma.app. It opens the site with the three options at the top. So select the first one, create new. And this provides four more options. Paste in text, that you can create notes with an outline or existing content. And this is generating a one-line prompt through the prompt. And then this is importing a file from your existing documents or presentations or web pages. And this is a mixed template. You can use a template. So for our purpose today, I am going to use the second option, which is generate. Now here at the top you will see four options again: presentation, web page, document and social. Since I am looking for a web page, I am going to click on the web page and then it is waiting for a prompt. Now you can see there are certain examples given at the bottom here. Just for our video purposes, I am going to select one of them just to see how this works. So let me select a website for a virtual event planning company. So click on this. Then the prompt is already displayed here. First, Gamma will generate an outline. And an outline gives 10 cards. You can see like 10 divs or paragraphs. This is free version. If you go for a premium version, it will give you more, like 20, 50 and unlimited also, depending on which option you choose. So for free, it is giving first 10 cards. And then there are customization option here. Like text, you can do minimal or concise or detailed or extensive, depending on what is the text they are going to display. I am going to keep it at concise. And then for visuals, I am going to select the tile body, Gamma. I'll select Gamma. You can select an option. And then for the images, I will select photorealistic. I want the images to be looking really good. And then come and say generate. Now within seconds, Gamma will generate the website. As you can see, here it started. At the top it says don't close this tab while generation is in progress. So all by itself, Gamma is designing your website. You just have to change the content and the images and your website is ready. You can see the speed with which the AI is creating the website. It will take us days together to put all this together. On the left side you can see it's like the slides. It is showing the different slides where you have to jump between slides. It's quite a comprehensive website with all the details required. And this is for a virtual event planning company. Right. Now here it says completed. Awesome. Now there is no option for saving in this Gamma. So but there's an option of share once the website is ready. You can change anything here. Like you can edit this straight away. Any content you want to edit, you can edit it here itself. Or if you want to add, supplement something, you can always add the cards at below here. You can add more cards. You can add another card. But then you need to go for a pro version. In the free version, only 10 cards are permitted. And then if you see at the top here, there is a share option. You click on this. Then there is the export option. If you select the export option, Now here there is an option to export it to PDF and to PowerPoint. Now in this website, I am going to export it to PDF. Now the PDF file is ready. Now you can see that it's already downloaded. I am going to copy it from here and then come to the desktop and create a folder. Now, I have already created a folder by my name Gamma site. So if I come to this folder and then paste it here, so that I have this reference available here. Now let me take a look at this. So this is in PDF. This is not in HTML, CSS and JavaScript format. It's only in PDF. So I have to convert this into HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now once the file is generated, I'll go to ChatGPT, open ChatGPT, and that PDF file, I'll copy it and paste it in ChatGPT and give it the following prompt. It says, give me the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code for this website. Keep the color combination awesome. Align the content. Let's say go. Here it is. Now you can see ChatGPT is giving me the code. This is the HTML. There is absolutely no effort involved except to give it a prompt. By itself, it is giving me the detailed HTML code, section wise. It's a great way to get the code from another AI tool. See how extensive the coding is. And then now it starts with the CSS. This code helps us in making any changes, additions, deletions to the website at our end directly. This is also making it responsive. You can see the media queries and then the JavaScript, making the website responsive and also for the navigation. Right. So now we have all the three files available to us. So what we now have to do is just copy this and paste it in your word processor. You can use either Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. Now I am using Visual Studio Code. So here if I say go to File and say Open Folder. Well, I have already opened the folder in the desktop Gamma site. I'll open this folder, and then yes, this I can say trust the authors. And here I'll say open a new file. Here first I will give it a index.html, the first index file. Then whatever the code that is generated here for the HTML, I copy it, come down to Visual Studio Code and then paste it here. So here we have the HTML code. Similarly, I'll open another file called style.css. Style.css. Now in the style.css, let me copy the style sheet and come down. Now here in the style sheet, style.css, copy this and then come and paste it. This is the style sheet. And then next comes is the JavaScript. So I'll open another file. Here I'll say normal.js. So I'll open a JavaScript file. Now coming to the JavaScript, let me copy the JavaScript right at the bottom. Yeah, script.js, and copy this. Then paste it here. Okay. Now these three files are the separate files now. So I need to link both the style.css and normal.js to the index file. So for that, first let me link the CSS file. So already it is linked here. Only thing is I made it as style.css. It is linked. Now coming to the JavaScript file, let's come down to the bottom here and see whether JavaScript file, yes, script.js, I have made it normal.js. You can name the file the way you want it, normal.js. Now they are linked. Okay, now if I go and see to the browser, look at this. This is the website that is created. You can change the background color, you can change the other aspects like the background color, like you can see the menus here. Very beautifully come out. This is the final product. If I'm not happy with the background, then I can go to CSS. See, there's a gradient background gradient. Background gradient is given. If I search disable this and then have a look, this goes darker typically. So you can change the gradient. You just change the gradient, like the colors, gradient colors. If you change the color gradients with percentage and then activate this, now you can see this is the gradient color that has come over. So this is how the customization of the website can be done. The basic design is come with the color combinations and images and the text. That you have to customize as you require. As you can see, this is a mind-boggling change, considering the least effort needed to code such an extensive website manually and to update it. Here it takes place in a jiffy. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.